Let's make some 4th of July starbursts. First, you'll need some star scatter. Mine came from the Dollar Tree. You'll also need some wire, floral wire. Mine is white. And you'll need an ink pen. I'm going to start with my ink pen, and I'm simply just going to wrap this wire around this pen. I'm going to leave a little bit of room at the top, maybe an inch, and a little bit of room at the bottom, about 2 inches. And then I'm going to scrunch it together and slide it right off that ink pen. I'm going to pull so that the spring stays in my wire, but so that it's separated. And then I'm just going to simply insert the wire into my star scatter, careful not to poke it through the top. If you think you might be putting these outside in an outdoor arrangement, make sure that you put a little glue on these, or if it's going to be windy where you're using them, that way your stars actually stay on your wire. I'm going to make a couple of these, and I'm just going to kind of sort them by size, and I'm putting all of those straight wires together at the bottom, and then I'm going to add in my smaller stars. I'll put these at the bottom, and then what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to take the longest wire that I have in the bunch, and I'm going to wrap that longest wire around the rest of the wires. This is going to hold everything together, and it's going to allow me to kind of finish this off with a chenille stem. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave about an inch overhang. I'm going to wrap it around it once, fold that inch down, and then I'm going to wrap the rest of my chenille stem around all this bunch of wires. This is going to do a couple of things. It's going to hold them all together. It's also going to make this where it's flexible. Now I can tie this into an arrangement. I can put it into a floral design or a wreath. I can use it in on my tiered tray, so I can do so many different things with this little bunch of stars. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more seasonal decor ideas.